So, a lot of you guys ask me from Twitter, how do I make free PayPal money? So today, I'm gonna explain everything clearly. Basically, a few weeks ago, I found awesome website called MyDollar app. I managed to earn $50 in about 4 hours. Now, this website pays you huge money from app installs and surveys. They do not share your earnings like most of the websites and money-making apps. Also, I'll add payment proof at the end of this video. Now, I'll show you how everything works. So here you see all available apps and surveys. When you tap on any app, you must install and run it for some time. After that, you get points. I'm not gonna talk much about surveys, but you get the idea, right? So, basically, 5 to 7 apps is around 250 points. That sum of points is worth about $5. You can redeem your points as a PayPal money, Amazon and Google Play gift cards. I want to mention you guys that is only fast way to make some money. It won't buy you a brand new Lambo, but still, it's money, right? There are several hacks I want to share with you guys. You may want to use as much devices as you can. By this way, you can triple or double your earnings. Also, I do always check if new offers are available. And in case your points doesn't add up in your account, just refresh the page. And now, mega tip for you guys. If you share this website by pressing these buttons, you will get extra $5 on your first redeemed reward. So, I hope I helped you guys, and I hope you will help someone by sharing this video on social media. And by the way, smash like and subscribe buttons like you smash your ex. Just kidding. Thanks for watching and see you next time, guys. Have a nice day.